Hey fellow motor travelers, good morning from Macon, Georgia. The Blue Ridge Parkway trip, day 2, starts right now on MotoTravelUSA. Well, good morning everybody. Another early day today. Not only because I have some miles to cover, but also because when I get to my location, I want to make sure I have time to find locations and I'm not 100% certain where they are. I got a pretty good night's sleep last night, the La Quinta Inn in Macon, Georgia. It wasn't that bad. It was modern, as you might have seen on the daily updates, and it was quiet throughout the night. I didn't hear traffic or anything externally, and luckily I didn't have a lot of loud people and slamming doors as you sometimes get. So a good evening there, a good night's rest, and I'm excited to start today. I'm headed up to the Dillsboro, Sylva area. It's a little bit near Cherokee, so tomorrow I'll be able to get to the Blue Ridge Parkway quick and start that. But today I wanted to explore a little bit. As I may have said yesterday, that was all highway driving. Today is more back roads, even though I'm kind of using that liberally. They're not dirt roads and gravel roads. I'm saying back roads as if not on major highways. They're cutting through, so I don't have to go up to Atlanta on I-75 and then around whatever it is, 295 or 495, and catch another highway. This one's cutting through Georgia. I think I passed through Athens and a bunch of small towns getting up to Sylva and Dillsboro. I don't know the exact roads. I think one is 441, and then one of my favorite, because I've done this route a bunch of times and I really enjoy it. You cut through a lot of really nice Main Street USA towns in Georgia, really well kept. Looks like they're vibrant and alive downtowns and main streets, which is cool because I don't see that often when traveling. So it's good to see that when traveling through Georgia. And then I think it's either 23 or 25. That road kind of takes me right up to Dillsboro and Sylva. A really cool road. Pass through, again, a bunch of towns, rolling hills. It's not a super back road because I think most of it is 2 lanes on both sides. So as I said, today I'm making it to the destination, but I'm also looking for some locations. If you've ever seen the movie 3 Billboards from Ebbings, Missouri, which it's a really good movie, you should check it out. It's super heavy drama with some good comedy in it too to help lighten it a bit. But they had filmed it in the Sylva, Asheville area. And there are a bunch of filming locations that I want to hunt down and find and just see how they look today. And I want to find a unique mom and pop restaurant, try it out and see how it is. Looking at Google Maps and reading reviews, the Sylva Main Street has a ton of really interesting looking restaurants. I don't remember any of the names, but there was one that really piqued my interest. I won't be able to take advantage of it today, but it was like an eat and movie place. It wasn't a movie theater, it was a restaurant where I guess they show films. Cool idea. As you can see why I love this road, the sunrise is trying to peek out through the fog and mist. Hopefully the camera's picking it up because it's just stunning while riding. The weather is beautiful right now. Not hot or cold. There's a crispness to the air. Okay, so the GPS is telling me to turn right up here, but I see no road. Tom, what are you doing? I am not going down this road. All right, let me check what's going on here and see what's happening. This I think I mentioned it before, but the TomTom GPS sometimes does this and just sends me down strange roads or totally loses signal and has no idea where I am. But I'm going to check out where I have to go here and jump to the phone if I have to. I'll be right back. So yeah, for some reason it wanted me to go down this way. I reprogrammed the GPS and I'm headed back on the road straight, which I assume that's what I needed to do. This looks like someone's driveway. Luckily, it's never gotten me too lost, but it is weird. It does this every once in a while. I don't know if that's a tire thing, the program that I use to program the GPS, or a TomTom thing, if the signal gets messed up, or if it thinks this is a main road rather than some gravel or dirt road. But there are times it tells me to go left and there is absolutely nothing there but a fence. It typically has happened in the middle of nowhere, South Carolina, Georgia. It's good around cities and everything, but when I'm in the middle of nowhere, for some reason, it just hiccups. I do want to try their new TomTom 400, or even I think they announced a newer one that I want to try. Hopefully it's a lot better. This has treated me well. I don't mean to bad talk it or anything. It's taken me on tens of thousands of miles and has been 95% accurate. But there are the times when you're in the middle of nowhere and your GPS is telling you to go on a road that's not there. It's a little disconcerting. Well, I need a little coffee, leaving so early, and a little sugar high, I guess. I found a Krispy Kreme up here. I've actually never been to a Krispy Kreme before, so I thought I'd try it out. I'm more of a Dunkin' Donuts person. Love their coffee, but I thought I'd try a Krispy Kreme since it was on the way, and here it is. I'm gonna go inside, have a cup of coffee, bite to eat, and we'll get back on the road.